Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a module in Divi WordPress website. So let's click enable Visual Builder. If you have used Elementor page builder, then it is very similar to that page builder. Now here you can see these are three sections. Select start building, and after that now let's add a new section and insert a row. So now you can select the number of columns, and after that now here you can see these are all the modules. So just you can add any of the module from here. For example, I want to add text module. Now here you can add your own text. You can also generate the content with AI. And now scroll down. Here you can easily remove this text, and after that you can add your own text. You can also link your text, and it will be entire module link. Also you can perform more customizations. You can align the text, change the formatting according to your requirement. And you can also add a new section. Then here you can add a module. So this is the way to add module in Divi WordPress website.